Assalamualaikum, welcome to STEM International Publishers. This is Tahira Riaz and today we are going to solve exercise of chapter number 11 Government and People, and the book is Social Studies class 3. So now let's start the exercise. आप लोग भी अपनी books को open कर लें और मेरे साथ साथ इस exercise को solve करें. So first of all we have to circle the correct option. We elect the government by our option A money, option B decision, option C wealth, option D vote. So we elect the government by our vote, so option D is correct option. And next we have the dash deals with the matters of a country as a whole. Option A federal government, option B government, option C provincial government, option D local government. So the federal government deals with the matters of a country as a whole. So option A is the correct option. And next we have a provincial government runs the system of a option A city, option B country, option C province, option D district. So the correct option is option C province. And next we have the government provides all dash that we need. Option A buildings, option B facilities, option C houses, option D duties. So the correct option is option B facilities. The government provides all facilities that we need. And next we should pay our option A taxes, option B laws, option C money, option D regards. So we should pay our taxes, so option A is the correct option. Next we have to answer the question, and the question number 1 is what is a government? And the answer is a government is a group of people who work together to run a city, state or country. Next we have right to responsibilities of the government. So the answer is a government enforces the law through police. A government provides medical facilities and establishes welfare departments. And next we have how can we help our government? It is our duty to cast our vote to the right person who can lead the country in the best possible way. And one of our duties is to obey the law. So that's how we can help our government. And next is why should we pay taxes? We should pay our taxes regularly so that the government may use these taxes to pay for facilities such as roads, schools, libraries, police and fire protection. And next we have what is a local government. Each district has its own system of government which is called the local government. A local government maintains parks, roads and streets. So next we have to fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. We cast our vote to elect a government. So you have to write government over here. Next is a provincial government runs a system of a province. The federal government deals with the matters of a country. A government enforces the law through police. We should pay our taxes regularly. तो प्यारे बच्चों ये थी हमारी चैप्टर नंबर 11 की एक्सरसाइज जिसमें हमने क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स दिए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स किए, करेक्ट ऑप्शन को सिलेक्ट किया. आई होप कि आपने भी इसे अपनी बुक्स में सॉल्व कर लिया होगा. और अगर आपको किसी भी किस्म की परेशानी है, कोई भी क्वेरी है, तो आप इसे अपनी क्लास टीचर से लाजमी डिस्कस कीजिए. मैं मिलूंगी आपसे इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.